Guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Anisha Gupta, and we're talking about the precious metals right now, which have seen a very sharp decline in the last week or so. Gold and silver both are trading at 2023 lows, and for gold, we have seen a decline of 1.5% over the previous week, while silver prices have declined 5% during the same time. Gold and silver also are negative when you look at the last 1 month returns. So while gold is declined by 6%, silver is down 12.5% in last 1 month. And the question we're asking is on whether this is a good time to start buying even after so much correction, or is there further decline still slated in? So, well, yes, the experts believe that you could be looking at further decline coming in for gold and silver. So it's still a wait, watch for those declines and then start buying. Well, the reason that you could see further declines is one, the dollar index is trading at a 7 week highs now. So from a low of 101, we are trading at 105. And all dollar denominated commodities have seen a pressure because of that, especially for gold and silver. The other is the US 10-year Treasury yield also seems to be trading at highest since the month of November. That is putting pressure too. And when you look at across data from the US, whether it has been about consumer spending, retail sales, home sales, the jobs market, all of that is hotter than expected. And that tells you that the Fed rate hike going forward could be more bullish, more aggressive. That doesn't augur well for the gold and silver prices. And we've seen decline because of that as well. While the US Fed has started to cut its balance sheet from nearly 9 trillion to 8.35 trillion right now, the expectation is that you could be looking at this number continue to decline going forward. Doesn't augur well again for the gold bulls there. The Indian wedding demand is expected to be on the stronger side. India sees many more weddings coming in for the month of May and June, and buying for those months will start from right now because you are looking at prices which have come off by nearly 7 to 8% from all time highs that we started this year with. So while the month of January was very bullish, we saw buying in gold and silver. The month of Feb pretty much has given away all of those gains, and we are yet again trading in the negative for the year 2023. The expectation is that since we are trading very close to the important psychological support of $1,800 per ounce, if this also gives away, then we are looking at 1780 on the lower side. For the Indian markets, after making an all-time high, we are now trading at around 55,500 kind of levels. 55,000 is also expected to break on the lower side. Analysts tell us that 54,500 is on charts now. So look for further declines in gold before you start buying or investing for a longer term. Same goes for silver also. After hitting a high of around $24.50 per ounce, we are trading at around 20.60 right now. So 20.20 is an important support. If that doesn't hold, then we are breaking $20 on the lower side. For the Indian markets, we've seen a high of 78,000 as well. From those kind of levels, we are trading at around 63,000 right now, with expectation that there's all possibility that we are going to 61, even 60,000 rupees on the lower side. For silver, especially, do not try to catch bottoms here. Another 2,000 rupees of a decline from here would be a good opportunity to buy. So for traders, selling at these levels is good for today or tomorrow or for this week as well. But for investors, use these opportunities of declines to invest for a longer period of time, 3 years, 5 years, and you will see gold and silver prices trading much higher.